We're looking at a run of Boston to Maine Railroad pamphlets that were issued for passengers as promotional items late in the 19th century and into the early 20th century. We're going to sell them individually because each one has its own maps and content with variants that exist. This first one is Summer Resorts of 1898. We see this is the first edition, and it contains routes, rates, maps, hotel and boarding house list, etc., of the White Mountains, Mount Desert, Montreal, Quebec, Winnipesaukee, Memphremagog, Rangeley, and Moosehead lakes, as well as the beaches. It appears that at one point there was a map here, which is not present in this example that we have. However, we will find at the rear this very large folding map of New England, like so. It's color lithographed and overprinted in red, like this, with insets across the bottom of St. Andrews in New Brunswick, White Mountain region, as well as Mount Desert Islands off the coast of Maine. Very nice, large map on a thin lithographic paper. It's printed by Rand Avery in Boston. And this booklet with the map is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.